Please keep in mind, if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of August.
So with the Page of Cups, this person, they want to give you an offer because they want to start over and build with you. For some of you, maybe this person's a little bit younger than you. Just for some, but overall, this person feels like they're not going to be able to work things out with you at all because, see, they hurt you. You shut down on them, Cancer. Like, I'm telling you, they know you're not tolerating their nonsense anymore. And see, that's the realization. You see what I'm saying? It's like you're not playing with them. Maybe it's a situation they've already tried reaching out to you and you're not responding back. Or it's a situation to where you guys have gone a while without speaking and you're typically the first one to text them if it's their birthday or, you know, something happened and you haven't. They're like, wait, what? So they're worried. You shut down. If none of that applies, they're just afraid when they reach out, you're going to give them the same thing that they've been giving you, which is nothing. You're not opening up. You're not showing them any emotion. It's kind of like, ring, ring, ring. What's up? Oh, hey, how you doing? Fine, what do you want? You know what I'm saying? Like, y'all aren't playing. See, I'm telling you, that's why they're saying they want to say something to you, but they're holding back. They're holding back. Because, see, right now, somebody's in some type of unhappy family or a living situation. Could be dealing with a Gemini. You know, and I'm seeing that they love you. They want to balance things out. But you see how the Queen of Wands jumped on top of the Queen of Cups? There's another female here. This is the problem. Friend, family member, love interest. There's another person here, and this is the problem. And this person could be the person that they're in a relationship with, or they're just committed to this person, and they left you out in the cold because of the situation that they're in. Look at that. Wow. There's the King and the Queen of Wands. I'm telling you, this is a soulmate situation. Could be even a twin flame. You know, maybe there was a mother figure here blocking, but this person, they want to come in confident. But they made a lot of promises to you that they couldn't keep. See, there was no stability. I told you, they made a lot of promises to you. And they didn't, you know, follow through with it. And see, they kept going. Look at the 11 ran right across 11 here. I'm telling you, you have a connection with this person. And the thing is, they kept going back and forth between you and someone else due to the situation that they were in. See, they turned their back on you. They did. They did. And that's why they feel like you're done. They messed up this connection. They feel like you're not going to give them a chance. Somebody could be dealing with a Scorpio. And there's the King of Cups reversed. Didn't I just tell? Look at the King and the Queen right there. I told you. Somebody's dealing with a soulmate, but then somebody else could be dealing with a twin. But regardless, this person, they don't talk. They don't open up. They don't show you emotions. None of that. They hide things from you. And, you know, they're trying not to be frustrated. But see, you cut them off. They know you cut them off. You're tired. You're tired of them. And see, I told you, they're trying not to be in their head about this, but they know that they didn't do right by you. They know this. See, they didn't put in the work at all. You know, and they know they didn't bring stability to the table, and that's why they're not talking to you. It's like little to no communication. So, somebody could be dealing with an Aries. But this person, they want to move fast. But they're not listening to their intuition because they know they're going to have to speak up. They know this if they want things to improve with you. But the way this just came out, y'all, they're trapped in their thoughts. Maybe for some of them, they're still trapped in a situation and they're trying to free themselves, see? But you're going to get justice. Somebody could be dealing with a Libra. Clarify? Yep. Because I'm telling you, this person wants to move fast. But they're having a hard time right now. Let's see why. Somebody's not content with how they treat you, but they're not content with their finances at all. And even though they're trying to stay positive and manifest you, they have some decisions to make. Maybe this person had other options. So even though they're gonna make a decision, they're not telling you. You guys aren't talking. This person is not opening up yet. See, because what they're doing is they're trying to clear away certain obstacles in order for them to be able to move forward with you. But they feel like you're not going to give them any time or energy. Because, see, this person here, they were in a commitment. They could have been married. There is some type of contract that they were in. But I'm seeing that they want all of that with you. See, they want to celebrate with you. They want to ask you out. But the thing is, they stabbed you in the back and they know it. They want to heal things with you in order for the two of you to have a new beginning. So even though they would like for you guys to move forward with each other, they don't have the strength to tell you that just yet. Somebody's dealing with a Taurus. Somebody could be dealing with the Cancer. Yeah, and the reason for that is because they were being sneaky in the past. But this is your wish fulfillment. They look at you as a wish fulfillment. They want to be with you. But right now, they don't have a peace of mind because maybe for some of them, maybe it is a family situation that they're in. And they're afraid you're going to walk away from them for good. Like you're done. Yep. Because see, even the way the Six of Pentacles came out, they want to balance things out with you, but they may have to help somebody else or give to someone else. You know, and your guard is up with them at this point, and they do not want you to let them go. Somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn, but yeah, they're going to have to free themselves from a toxic situation in order to have a victory with you. Because I see that they're going to come and apologize to you, Cancer, because they definitely want this new beginning with you. Yep. And they're like, I don't want you waiting around anymore. So see, the Two of Cups came out reverse on that Devil reverse. They're in a commitment, or whoever they're committed to, they're going to get out of it. I promise you, they're going to get out. Yep. Because they want things to work out between the two of you. But see, because of their bad decisions in the past, they're afraid that they're not going to be able to turn things around with you. And that's why they've been isolating themselves. Because I do feel like this person is healing right now. I feel like they're trying to, again, get themselves out of the situation, but they're trying to heal from everything that they put themselves in, this situation. But they do want to come in and heal things with you. Somebody could be dealing with a Virgo. Somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius. See, somebody's in a karmic situation. It's codependency. I'm telling you, they're in a codependent situation. And the seeds they planted with you, they wanted to grow. They're on the right path, but see, they haven't gotten out of this third-party situation yet. They know they have to get out, but they haven't gotten out of it yet. They need to make a decision. See what I'm saying? And they're still holding on because maybe they have responsibilities, but they regret lying to you, deceiving you, tricking you, all of that. They regret it. Let's use this deck. Let's take a look. Go a little deeper. Spirit, this person that I'm picking up on, what messages do they have, please, for Cancer? Look at that coffin. I told you. They're going to put an end to their situation. I'm telling you. They're going to put an end to it. See? They're making a change. They're going to make a change, guys. They know they have to get out of the situation that they're in. But see, right now, they're feeling stuck. They're still feeling stuck in this situation. Tell me more. For money. Something pertaining to their finances. But they're going to get out of it. I'm telling you. See, it's like this person knows that someone else has an expectation of them. And it could be pertaining to the money. And see, they're trying to figure out, okay, how can I get out of this situation, protect my assets, and be able to date you? They want to date you. They want to be with you. Yep, but that's a message of concern. Because see, right now, I'm telling you, I feel like somebody's still committed in some type of relationship. See, there's the main male. And a mature... Ooh. Ooh. Okay, hold on. Y'all, okay. So, this person, I feel like remember I told you they're talking to someone, they're getting advice. They could be talking to somebody that they work with, trying to figure out, okay, what can I do to get out of the situation? Because I'm going to put an ending to it, but I want to make things right with Cancer or Crosswatcher. This is what the Cancer's saying with you. Now, the other part of this is the person that they were committed to, whether they were married, in a commitment, they had kids, I feel like they found out this person was dealing with somebody else. Because I have two guys here, and it could be two females. Take it how it fits your situation, but there's somebody else here. On the other hand, it could be a situation to where they're like, okay, I'm going to get out of the situation. I'm going to make a change. I'm stuck because of money, but I'm going to get out because I want to be with you. But guess what? The message of concern is by the time this main male gets out of it, you got somebody else here that you're working on moving forward with. And they're afraid. See, the lovers. They want to be in a commitment with you, but they're afraid that by the time they get out, you're going to be committed to somebody else. Okay. Okay, let's see. Bottom of the deck, I have the Devil reverse. See what I'm saying? Spirit is saying they want you guys to stop overthinking things and remove yourself from this situation, okay? Because I'm seeing here, somebody's going to come in. They're going to give you an offer, but I'm telling you, somebody is focusing on their finances. See, yep, they took a financial loss. Or again, they know when they get out of that situation, they're going to take a financial loss, and they're going to have to just basically rebuild their money back up. So you guys are thinking about the past, you know, and you're saying to yourself, you know what, I don't see things improving with this person, but Spirit is saying, yeah, it can. It definitely can. Look at the... I'll tell you, you guys got somebody else coming in. You definitely do if you're not dealing with someone else. And see, the thing is, you're going to have to make a decision. Yep, see, Cancer, there's your card. I'm telling you. But you're saying to yourself, you know what? He or she didn't move forward with me. So guess what? May the best man or woman win. Like, I'm going to have to move on. See, the seeds you planted, yes, you would like it to grow with this person I've been picking up on. But at the end of the day, you see things for what it is. You're seeing the truth. Tell me more. Look at that. I told you. You freed yourself from this situation with this person. You're like, I can't do it anymore. I'm tired. I'm tired of waiting. I'm tired of the game. See, I don't have the strength to deal with this anymore. So guess what? I'm taking a leap elsewhere. Ooh, I know that's right, Cancer. Yep, I'm moving on. I'm moving in another direction because I don't trust this person. This person continuously lied to me. See, you guys got into it. The way that card came out, it's like, 1 minute, it's like when they feel you moving away, that's when they want to try to come back in. You know, as long as that door is somewhat cracked, it's like, hey, wait, how you doing? And then they leave you alone. It's like this back and forth, never-ending cycle. See, and you guys, they're saying you got to make a decision. But with these 2 sevens, they were saying you were holding on to this person, but not anymore. You're like, I'm not waiting. Yep, and you made a decision to free yourself. Yep, look at that, 11-11. I told you. This is, for some of you, this is definitely a soulmate. For others of you, it's a twin. And you know that there's a connection here, but you're saying, I deserve better. And you're absolutely correct. You're like, no, I don't want it anymore. This connection, nope, I'm good. And you're confident about now taking a leap, going elsewhere. And by you doing that, I see you celebrating. You're going to have a victory. So this is going to be interesting. Cancer, you got to leave me some comments because I got to know, okay, what's going on. But, yeah, hang in there because something else is coming in that's really good for you guys. But I don't feel like this other person is going to give up. But let's see. All right, Cancers. I love you guys. Thank you so much for, watching this video. But I love you all. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye, Cancers.